Today I will show you how to link to a section on a different page. So I will use this link to connect it to to a section on About page, to this section, to this supplement slider. So to do that, what you need to do is first you need to click on a link which you want to use, and what you need to do is you need to put this line and after the in URL, and after this line what you need to do is you need to put the page of the section. For me this is About page. Then after you type in About, you need to put this hashtag symbol, and then you need to put the name of your section. The name of my section is Supplements Slider, and that's it. I will show you now. We go to About page, and here you can see that the name of my section, my ID is Supplement Slider. That's what you need to put in your link after hashtag symbol. Now you publish the page. We can refresh it now. We will go to homepage to test it. Now when I click supplements, it should take me to the section on a different page. And here it is. We are at the About page on supplement slider. And when you also click on the same page, it will take you to the supplement slider. And that's how you link to a section on a different page in Webflow.